The mercenary geologist, my favorite, Mickey Fulp. I love talking to Mickey because you always have a light somewhere in the darkness. What is the optimism for 2014?
Well, as an exploration geologist, I almost have to be an eternal optimist, although I am always a bit of a skeptic too as a scientist. But here's the encouragement I find. We hit bottom in June on the Toronto Venture Index. We kind of flatlined through most of the last few months. We're up almost 100 points on the index in January. So we've seen this bounce. I think we can now say that the bottom was in last June, and those bottoms always are realized in hindsight.
I've heard this bottom in June. Are you sure?
No, of course I'm not sure, but the business is looking better. As contrarians, this is our opportunity. You know, we've been saying that before, but now we're starting to see a little bit of movement. You know, we've got a nice turnout at this show. The quality of the companies is increasing the deeper the bear market becomes. The education and intelligence of the average investor, I would say, has increased too, because we've washed out all the people that just want to come and play a little bit in our business. They've lost their shirts; they're gone.
Only heavy hitters now.
Yeah, so we see people that are looking for bargains, and there's certainly plenty of bargains here.
What's the best bargain on the floor today?
Energy Fuels, the only conventional uranium miner in the United States. Now, I'm a shareholder through the takeover by Strathmore, which I predicted
You did, I remember.
a year ago. It came to pass in 3 months. It was completed in 6 months. So I covered Energy Fuels. At the end of December, it's up 20% since then. This company is most highly leveraged of all the uranium producers in the United States and Canada to uranium prices. So if, as I expect, uranium prices will start to recover this year and really go up in 2015, 2016, that's a stock you might choose to own. Now, they're a sponsor and I'm a shareholder, so I'm financially conflicted, biased, if you will. There.
Fair enough. What are they trading at?
Last I saw, and I didn't check it exactly on close on Friday, but about 675 US, up from about 561 when we picked it 2 weeks ago.
Great. And their management is strong, obviously, and cash flow positive.
Cash flow positive. Now, they will write off. They won't be cash flow positive in the third and fourth quarters of this year because they've done some write-downs. But on an operational basis, yes, cash flow positive. Very well-run company with a recent rollback 50-1 after the Strathmore takeover. Something less than 20 million shares outstanding.
So I've heard a lot of talk about 2015 being the year. Do you agree?
Don't know. We'll see when we get there. I would opine that 2014 won't be as brutal as 2013. I can't look that far ahead. So although it's, 2015 is a year away.
We've only got today.
Let's focus on 2014 and what we expect there. I expect a better market this year.
Always a pleasure, Mickey Fulp.
Always a pleasure, Tara. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in to Small Cap Power's expert interviews. As always, do your own research before making investment decisions. For now, I'm Tara Sweeter.
Subscribe to our daily newsletter and be the first to get expert insights and advice from our roster of industry specialists.
SmallCapPower.com. Investment ideas and research.